When we're finished the voting and everyone's turned off their clickers, I still have my clicker software open in the upper left-hand corner. I close it by clicking on the X, and then this brings me back to the screen that we've seen before. This is my clicker dashboard. So now I want to see the results that everyone posted. I come up to the File menu and I open iGrader. I know it's kind of odd to think that you're grading the voting, but this is made for the classroom. I'll click on the Voting 101 class and select Choose. I now see, and ignore the Tim Stelzer because that's a default, I now see that 3 clickers clicked in and it's anonymous. If I want to see what the results are, I select the Reports tab. I can just leave student ID is fine, and I click on OK. It now says which kind of report do you want to view. In this case, I want to see term session summary. So I click on that, and it's going to open up something in my browser. So in this case, I'll see that there was a session on May 14th, and this opened up in Firefox. If you use Internet Explorer or Safari, it will open up in that. I'll see that there were 3 people voting and that 4 questions were asked. If I click on Session Summary, it then brings me to each question, and I can scroll down and see for question number 1, A, B, C, there was 1 for A, 1 for B, and 1 for C. I can do this for each question, so I can come down to question 2, and I can see that 3 votes were for A. I also see the chart and the question. So this is how I can then tally my results. And when you're all finished, you can actually just X out of this website. So if I come up and I show you, I'll just cancel out. I'm then back in my software, and I can click on Close the Report, and I can click on Close iGrader. If I'm completely finished, back in my iClicker software, I can just click the X, and everything has been saved to the little thumb drive that's in the large white voting collector.